Hey guys, today I'm going to cook a piece of beef brisket in the slow cooker. So let's get cracking. I found this piece of beef brisket at the local market. It's 3.6 pounds. It was $8.99 a pound, so it was $33.08. So here's what it looks like on the other side. Anyway, I'm just going to get it seasoned up and put it in a dry slow cooker. I'm going to cook it this side up, so I'm going to rub a little bit of avocado oil on there. I've already put some kosher salt on there. Now some Johnny's seasoned pepper. Besides pepper, this has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. Now I'm going to put this in a dry, slow cooker. No liquid added. We'll get the lid on there. And I'm going to cook this on low, and I'll let you guys know how long it takes. It has been 12 hours, and I just shut the pot off, so that's what it looks like. I'm going to let it rest in there for a while, though, before I take the lid off. I had some stuff to do, so this has been on warm for 4 hours. Let's take a look at it. Nice color on it. Made a lot of liquid. See all the fat that cooked out of that? I didn't add any liquid to that pot. Let me get it out of there and we'll cut into it. Let's cut into this thing and see what it looks like inside. It looks like the grain of the meat runs that way, so I'll just cut right across it like this. It looks pretty tender. It's kind of crumbling apart here. All right. There we are. Well, look at that. Wow, looks pretty good. It's kind of hard to slice because it's so tender it just keeps crumbling apart. So let me just crumble a piece off the end there and we'll try it out. That's good. It's maybe a little bit more moist if I would have put the fat cap on top, but I wanted to put the seasoning on the meat. It had to sit on warm for like 4 hours, so the top part did dry out a little bit, but it's good. It has good flavor and it's really tender. I guess we better see what Annie thinks here. There you go, Annie. Here, over here. Annie approved. She was taking a nap though. She don't seem that excited. Well, that was good. It was a little dry on the top, but you get that nice crust that way. If you turn it over and put the fat cap up, it might be a little moister, but you're not going to get that nice crust, which I kind of like. We just had that for lunch. Linda showed me how they do it in Texas with the white bread, pickles, and onions. So that came out good that way. But anyway, either way, your choice. Cook it 12 hours, about 12 hours on low. Comes out nice and tender, and see what you think. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.